Where do you see the 3 LED lights? These LED lights are called floodlights. 20W, 30W, 50W floodlights can be found here. The floodlight is powered by 230 AC current. LED float lights are unique in that they provide light over long distances. This floodlight is made by JV Luca USA. 20W floodlight. If the other two floodlights are too large, this is a small floodlight. It is priced at Rs 930. Open this box and we will see this LED light. Their size depends on the number of LED bulbs attached to the floodlights. We bought this LED light from the store. This LED light has a 2-year warranty. That is why the name of the shop and the date of purchase are written. With this stand we can fix this LED light. This LED light will not cause a problem if water falls. The wire joining part of the power supply should be protected from falling water. Now we have to check this light. This is the floodlight of a company called Kell. Is 30W light. 50W, 30W, 20W. These lights are different company lights. These are not the lights that any company gives us for advertising. It shows the name of the company that made the light, the year it was made, and the price at which it can be sold. This light can be unboxed. Unboxing is very easy to do. This light has glass in it, and if not stored properly it may fall down and break. This light also has a 2-year warranty. Let's put this light here and unbox the 50W light. After 50W LED floodlight, there is 100W LED floodlight. The LED floodlight we see now is a 50W floodlight manufactured by a company called Magic. The company that manufactured this LED floodlight calls it the Pinnacle LED floodlight. This light also has a 2-year warranty. How to fit this light. The user manual and warranty card are written about this light. Do you know why this light is not compliant even when immersed in water? The gland is visible on the part where the 3-core wire come from. There is no chase of water entering. This is one of the reasons why the wire is connected to the 2 floodlight lights seen earlier. These stripes are given on the back side to keep the floodlight warm while working and to regulate this heat. It cools down quickly when the heat reaches the back, which is like a heatsink on an electronics board. This wire faces neutral earth. Let's see how much light this floodlights has. Let us see how this floodlight works on 230 AC current. The wire provided by this flood LED light company is short in length, so we need to buy some wire and connect it in a watertight way. Let's see how. This is the way to connect the wire so that water do not get inside the wire.
With dual plug or with the anchor bolt we can prevent it from moving on its stand and tighten it.
I'm a fool for your love.